First and foremost, thank you so much for being here because I need to tell someone about this thrift haul. In fact, I already did a mini haul for my dog because I had to tell someone. This first thrift store I had never been to before, and I guess they've only been open for a few months. And it's actually a Salvation Army. When I first went into this store, I went in the main store area. Just piece after piece was too large for me, and I was like, you know what, that's okay. Then I went into the side part of the store, which I just was like, oh, I'll just look in case, because I thought it was gonna be men's. It was not men's. It was children's. And the finds, it was like all of the things that I've been looking for, it was like in the basket, in the basket, in the basket. I was like, am I in a dream? Things I was looking out for were vacation dresses. Really wanted a long one that was very fitted. This was the closest thing I found, and it's very, very pretty. But I put it on, it was too big, and it didn't have a price on it. So I was like, okay, there's a lot going on. So I decided to pick it up, and I was like, I'll just ask when I go to the checkout. And I think the girl at the cashier just kind of liked me. So she was like, oh, I'll give it to you as a summer dress. And she gave it to me for €2. So unbelievable. I have to do a lot of work on this, but I'm kind of looking forward to it. So the reason I went into the little area is because I saw this dress and I was like, are there dresses in here? Isn't she cute? This like little ditzy dress. It is very sheer. I kind of feel like I need to add a lining, which I'm not thrilled about doing, to be completely honest. I just thought it was so cute, and it was only €4. And so I was like, get in my basket. Oh my gosh, I'm getting really excited. I can't even get it out. I have a Ralph Lauren oversized cotton blouse, and I love it. And I've actually been looking online for another one because I love it so much. So when I saw this pink Ralph Lauren blouse with the little polo man on it, I was like internally screaming in the thrift store. I can't even believe it. I got this for $7.50 also, just an amazing price. Again, in the kids section, I found a white tank and I found a white tee, and this one actually still has the tags on it. I had to get both. So this was €4. It's just a white t-shirt. And then this one I think was like really cheap. Yeah, 50 cents. What is the English word for this? Vest. I really love that like vest as a top trend. It's so me. So when I saw this one for €1 in the kids section, honey, she had to come with me. So it is maybe about an inch and a half too small around the chest area. So my plan is to cut it down the back here and just I have some black fabric. I'm gonna add a channel. So that'll kind of just boop, move this out, and then this will be perfect. I almost didn't go to the thrift store I was on my way to when I saw this thrift store because I was like, my luck cannot get any better. Maybe I should just go. But I was already like 75% of the way there. My expectations were below sub-zero because I was like, I cannot believe my luck at the last one. So I was like, anything else that I find would just be like a bonus. Skirt that I got for $3.50, and the color is very not me, but again, I was thinking about Ibiza. This one also needs to be altered. I don't know why I do this to myself. I've been trying really hard not to buy too many things that need to be altered because I used to go to the thrift store and be like, I'll just alter it all. And then I'd come home and be like, I would rather not. But I think this will be pretty easy to alter. As it is right now, this is like the center front, but I think if I kind of alter it, I'd like it to be kind of off center like this. Go over my bathing suit when I am in Ibiza. That would be just a really cute look. And I wouldn't have picked it up except for it was only $3.50 and it's 100% cotton and it's very soft. So I decided to go for it. That brings me to the end of this quite astonishing thrift haul. I have not been this lucky at the thrift store in so long, and I'm so pleased. So anyway, yeah, excited that I found a new thrift store with so many great items. And yeah, I'll keep you updated on all these projects. If you want to see me wear all this stuff and like see how it turns out, don't forget to follow me on Instagram. I post a lot on there, and it's @styledbyrianne. And I'll talk to you very soon. Bye!